Now we are going to learn about finally, and finalize in Java. So I decided to share about final keyword today. So final is a keyword. We can use this keyword on variables, methods, and class. So if we declared a variable as a final means we cannot change its value. That means we cannot reassign it. Cannot change its value. Then if we declare method as a final, that means method with final keyword means we cannot override that. Overridden. And if we declare class with final keyword means we cannot extend it. Extend, that means that class cannot be inherited. Okay. Let's see the program. So I'm going to declare one integer variable with final keyword id equal to some number 24. If I am trying to reassign the value of id means it shows the compile time error. First of all, I'm going to print that id Yeah, this will run without any hiccups. Now I'm going to change its value means id equal to 10. It shows the compile time error. That means need to remove the final keyword. Yeah, and this are compile time error. Cannot be assigned. All the other, that means final method and final classes are the same as final variable. That also shows the compile time error. So thank you. In the next session, we'll learn about finally and finalize method. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel.